Does your Dyson V11 sound like it's gasping for air? That rhythmic pulsing isn't your vacuum trying to beatbox, it's a cry for help. So, what's the deal? Usually it's a double whammy. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the high-tech motor to work overtime. It's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Eventually, the motor overheats, leading to internal damage and that pulsing safety shutoff. But don't stress, Robocare specializes in vacuum repair, and we have the solution to get your Dyson V11 back to full power. At Robocare, our technicians are more than just repairmen. They are specialists in high-performance suction technology. We don't believe in guesswork. Our team uses specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint exactly where the airflow is failing or why the motor is triggering an error. Whether it's microscopic dust bypass damaging the internal components or a genuine mechanical failure, we handle it with surgical precision. We meticulously clean the internal pathways and replace damaged parts with genuine components to ensure your vacuum performs like it just came out of the box. But talk is cheap. Let's look at the proof. Now that is peak performance. After our repair, this Dyson V11 has its legendary suction back. No pulsing, no clogs, just pure cleaning power. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
If your Dyson is acting up, don't wait until it literally dies on you. And don't waste your time with DIY fixes that don't work. Reach out to Robocare. They are honest and they truly know their stuff. They brought my V11 back to life, and they can do the same for yours.
Ready to save your Dyson? Contact Robocare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.